Welcome back to the YouTube channel of N.T.K Tool. Today, I will show you how to scan all Facebook groups in just 10 seconds. You can find thousands of groups where you can post your sales content. First, open My Facebook UID scraping software. This software can help you scrape all Facebook groups, extract group members, scan all fan pages, collect people who interact with fan pages, scrape profiles, and even extract Facebook posts. If you want to scan Facebook groups, simply click on the Scan Group ID section. In this section, you just need to select the Facebook accounts you want to use for scanning. You can scan Facebook groups by keyword, by a specific profile, or even by location. I will choose to scan by keyword. You can enter one keyword per line for the groups you want to scan. Next, click Save, and the software will automatically recognize the two keywords you added. You set how many groups to scan per keyword. I set it to scan 100 groups for each keyword. Finally, click Start, and the software will automatically search for Facebook groups on your behalf. It will display the number of groups scanned here. It scans very quickly, and you don't need to do anything. When the scanning process is complete, you can export the data to an Excel file for review. You can see the software has scanned the full 200 groups I requested. It displays all the information for me, including the scanned keywords, the UIDs of the groups, the names of those groups, whether the groups are public or private, the moderation status of each group, the number of members in each group, and finally, the group link. You can copy and paste it into your browser to check. And that's how you can scan thousands of groups in just a few seconds. If you want to learn more about the software, you can contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Let my software handle these tasks for you. That's all. See you again in the next videos.